problem with us chopping all of it off to right here.
I hate short hair on me.
It's not gonna be able to change it. I just don't want to look ugly, you know?
Oh, wow. Today we're taking a look at the least diabolical makeovers from Cycle 3. Yeah, you heard it right. They weren't that evil in this one, and I wonder why.
Good morning. Good morning. We're here at the Peter Coppola Salon. You're here to get a makeup lesson from me, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to get a clean, fresh, natural look using CoverGirl Cosmetics today. So, if we're here in a hair salon, it only makes sense that you guys are gonna get hair makeovers as well.
I'm freaking out, like, oh my God, what are they gonna do?
Everything.
You guys look like the pretty girls walking down the street like, I think she can model, but So I'm gonna start with you, Kelly. So you're gonna get long, wavy, big hair extensions. Julie, we decided to cut 6 to 8 inches off of your hair and give you a little bit of movement. Yaya, I love the fact that you keep your hair natural. It shows the pride that you have as a black woman. But I am gonna take your braids out to make you more versatile. Yaya, what is your biggest insecurity?
Don't tell her.
My skin.
I found one of the best dermatologists in New York City. And you're gonna be seeing her today. And we decided to make you blonde. Nicole, I see you in I Love Lucy red.
Wasn't that in black and white?
What we wanna do is add a little bit of length and a hell of a lot of thickness. Christy, we're gonna make you more edgy. So we're gonna give you a long bang that's gonna be very chic. Jennifer, let's see these locks.
Bald.
So you have no problem with us chopping all of it off to right here. And you're going very, very blonde. But we are gonna donate your hair to Locks of Love.
But I'm just glad I'm happy it's going for kids that have cancer.
You were getting hair
so that's nice that they're going to be donating the hair. She can't really complain about it because they're donating it, so she's gonna look like a bad person if she complains about getting her own hair chopped off.
Cassie, you were getting hair weave for thickening. Amanda, we want to match those icy blue eyes with some icy blonde hair.
Work it!
Eva, I love the fact that your hair is short. I think we need to kind of shape it and take it a little bit shorter. Norel, you are going to get your hair chopped off. And we have found one of the top orthodontists, and those are coming off today.
How is she ready to take those off? Yeah. When you have braces, don't you need to keep them on for a certain length of time? Like, you have to confer with your doctor that that's the plan. Hey, we're gonna take them off after 3 years. Tyra's like, they're coming off today. Does Tyra know when her braces are ready to come off? Like when her teeth are aligned? Wouldn't Norel have taken off the braces if they were ready to come off before coming on the show?
All right, you guys ready? Yeah! All right, let's go!
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
In reaction to their makeovers, some are super excited.
I'm so excited because I never seen myself.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Some are not so happy. It's gonna be little and blonde, like a little white boy. I don't want to look like a little boy. I'm just not gonna be able to change it. I just don't want to look ugly, you know?
Why are you crying?
I was like, I don't know, I always feel like too short. I just cut my hair. It used to be like really long, and this is like really still growing on me, you know?
This is the big time, and the big time is about like making really big changes.
Some of the girls were kind of upset. I try to be very kind and giving, but that's just part of me. I'm a mama, I'm trying to help.
Are you gonna be sad?
No, it should be fun. It should be beautiful.
Don't do that. I'm sorry.
You know, it's kind of like security blanket knowing my hair's always there to get me recognized or get me somewhere.
You ready? I'm gonna cut it all off in one swipe. Ready?
Okay,
Feels a lot lighter.
I mean, look, at least they didn't cut it like up to here, because that's what I was envisioning. It's not that short. Like, it's medium length, so it's not that bad. I don't know why I was envisioning up to here. Cycle 5, the Cycle 5 makeover for Cassandra. That's what I was Now that was a hard one to watch. This is not that bad compared to that.
Feels a lot lighter.
Beautiful.
Oh
I
wow.
can see some of these people. Some of these
Your hair
people
was
be
really
like,
long.
I can wait. Oh, with the blue eyes with the blonde. Like,
That sounds a little scared.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this new look. I think it's gonna look hot. Just really, really hot. My eyes are just gonna shine.
Wow.
The color is really gonna make me go pow.
It's Linda
Oh.
Evangelista.
My makeover makes me edgier, more model.
I liked it better, like shoulder length.
Jay taught us all how to get a clean, fresh, natural look with CoverGirl makeup.
It's just a light shimmer just to bring a little glow to the skin. Take
Wow.
just the bronzer, just put a little
The
on your lid,
2000s
just
makeup
right here.
palettes, so cute.
I feel totally like a different person.
You do?
I feel like I never looked like this before in my life.
I love it. It's absolutely, yes.
It's beautiful. It doesn't look like a weave, right?
no, listen, and the texture's really, really good.
Yeah.
You can shave my head off.
She looks
bald,
so
and
cute.
I'll still walk around here like I'm a goddess.
I really wanted a completely new look, but I'm happy with what I have. I have 2 tracks of fake hair, and so it's very heavy now and very full.
I'm super excited about my braces. My hair, I'm super scared.
I'm having to put like all my trust and all my faith into you, and I don't even know you.
I'm really excited. I've never been blonde before. I'm interested to see how it'll look. I'm very open-minded about it. I hate short hair on me.
But it's not short.
I don't
Just
like
on me
no.
personally, like
Guys, I don't. This aged her so much. I think this color looked much better on her. I mean, I don't mind the blonde on her. She just looks more mature in the after photo. I think the length looks really good on Anne. I like the haircut. The color, I'm not sure about, but the length is nice.
It's not short.
just on me personally, like I need to get used to it.
I never thought I would see people cry over hair. I saw
You should have
Narelle
seen me.
crying. I saw Jennifer
My
crying.
car.
I saw Yaya crying. You know, and it's just hair.
You guys, a lot of women have trouble growing their hair out, just so you guys know. This myth that, oh, it'll grow back. Do you know how long it takes for hair to grow back? It's always the girls who get extensions with the long haircuts that are like, I don't understand why they're crying. I'm like, Stacey, can you just, I don't want to hear from you right now, okay? And your 7 tracks in your head and your new weave. I don't want to hear about that right now. I'm kind of learning how to blow dry my 3 strands of hair. Can you just let me cry over this? I don't blame them for crying at the salon. There's nowhere else for them to cry. There's cameras everywhere.
I never thought I would see people cry over hair. I saw Narelle crying. I saw Jennifer crying. I saw Yaya crying. You know, and it's just hair.
I'm not really loving it right now, but hey, gotta do it.
Like you've got a little bit of hair long here, so we're gonna lose that.
I'm okay now. I love the way it came out. I love the
She's
results of the
gorgeous.
colors.
She's gorgeous.
Julie, I think is beautiful, but I think she also only has one look because they didn't change her hair.
Somewhere I guess I should see that as a compliment, like, oh, they don't have to do anything with me.
Do you understand the movement now? And now when you're modeling, you can, and not just be like, ugh.
Yeah. Like, I don't feel like a different person. I feel like
Wow,
this is me and this
she's
is how
stunning.
I should be looking.
Yeah, you have another appointment. When you come back, we're gonna finish you
Oh
up.
God. She has to come back. Wait, are they they're sending her out of the salon with the product still in her hair to do. Tyra's like, I'm only paying you for 12 hours, okay? Make it work.
Comedones are blackheads. Just gonna open up the ones that are ready to come out, okay?
I had the best opportunity to go and see a dermatologist, you know, a real dermatologist for the first time.
We're gonna give you a product to use and use it every other night and probably use more on your forehead.
Jay told me about the tricks of making your makeup look natural and cover it up as much as possible.
Go with like the
I'm sorry, I just can't get over the fact that they sent her to the dermatologist with her hair clipped with probably hair dye or hair product in it. And they washed the product out after she got back. This probably, I don't know, is that normal? Or if any hairstylists are out there watching, please leave your thoughts about that. I mean, it looks like her hair still turned out good, so I guess they made it work. But the fact that they left her, they couldn't make the appointment the next day.
Go with like the Aqua Smooth, which this product is like a heavier silicone base. So this will give you more coverage.
It does cover easily.
Mm-hmm.
I just transformed. So that was
Wow.
a boost of confidence for me.
Yeah, I love her
How long have you been wearing the
transformation.
braces for?
Almost 2 years.
Really? So you're itching to have these off.
I'm the only one with braces. I'm the only one with the bling bling on my grill, okay?
This is that for sure. In order to keep this beautiful result, we have to wear retainers for 6
Yeah.
months to a year or so. All right.
Thank you.
Does
I feel
her
better
doctor
now
know
about the
about back
competition,
home?
about like how I look.
Imagine her orthodontist watching this. They're gonna be like, that she had at least 3 years left, sir. Hopefully not. Hopefully it was time for them to come off.
I feel better now about the competition, about like how I look.
Your teeth look great.
Wow, look how pretty.
Don't it look so much better?
We're gonna use the True Blend, which is gonna even out your skin. Just start by blending from underneath their eyes out.
Blend from the eye out.
You like it?
It looks good. This is like so much more edgier and sexy. It's like very versatile.
Narelle's haircut was the only one I was like, I don't know about that, but she didn't cry. This looks like a yearbook picture for school. She looks so cute. She looks like 14 though, 15. Maybe it would have been nicer shoulder length, but I love the color. Color is perfect on her, I think. And I really like the makeup that Mr. J did. It looks good. It looks good.
Versatile.
It looks like Ashley
Look in the
Simpson.
mirror and see
haircut.
long, gorgeous locks, dark, of course. I'm not too hip on blondes, and now I'm gonna be a blonde.
I feel very good to know that I'm gonna get my little curly lead.
I think I could definitely work this.
The more comfortable I get here and like I start to kind of let my hair down, the more comfortable I will be as a model.
She looks good both ways.
I think that my transformation outwardly really did start a transformation on the inside.
How different that is.
Amanda stood in front of us and she doesn't change her expression. I was like, okay, transformation inside and out. She's a diva now.
As soon as I saw myself in the mirror, I just felt sexier and more
She looks really good blonde.
The girls are starting.
She looks gorgeous either way with on the left and on the right. Are they trying to make it so the before looks better for this one? Because that's what it looks like. They used the better picture for the before. With the flash, she's smiling, she has blush on. She looks lively in this picture versus in this picture. It's looking a little lifeless, but I mean, she looks great both ways. Is it just me or does it go from white blonde to yellow blonde at the end? And it's like kind of patchy. Am I becoming a hairstylist? I'm like, that's patchy. That's, you know, they didn't use the conditioner, that the leave-in. I have no idea. But is it just me or am I seeing things wrong?
The girls are starting to feel intimidated by me, and it's really making me feel good as hell.
Anthony and Leonard did.
Weren't you supposed to be the mom of the group?
I hope you guys learned a lot. Are you hungry? You ready to go eat?
I'm hungry. I'm not even on the show. I think the makeovers were pretty good on this one. There's not one that's like, they're trying to ruin her life. So I would say, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think overall they were pretty good. They could have, what I'm saying is they could have been more evil, and they chose not to do that, to go down that road, or down the road into the pits of hell. So I think that says a lot.